Are you looking for the best WhatsApp automation tool in 2026? A platform that can build chatbots, creates AI assistant, broadcast WhatsApp messages, capture leads, and manage customer conversations all from single dashboard. So today we are doing a complete review and live demonstration of Pabbly Chatflow, including its AI assistants, chatbot builder, and broadcast feature. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what Pabbly Chatflow can do for your businesses. So let's get started. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow is a no-code WhatsApp automation platform that enables businesses to automate customer conversations directly on WhatsApp. Instead of manually responding to every message, businesses can build automated systems that engage customers, answer queries, qualify leads, and provide support 24/7. The platform is designed for businesses of all sizes, from startups and local businesses to large companies. See, what makes Pabbly Chatflow more interesting is that it does not focus on just one aspect of WhatsApp automation. Instead, it combines multiple capabilities under one platform. This means businesses don't have to switch between multiple tools to manage their WhatsApp operations. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you found this tool helpful, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get a heavy discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. This is specially for my viewers. So grab this offer as soon as possible. Once you do the sign up process, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. And after you're done, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And once you reach it, the left-hand side bar contains multiple features. In this tutorial, I'll specifically walk you through 3 amazing features of Pabbly Chatflow that completely transform the way you communicate with your customers on WhatsApp. So the first one is broadcast. This feature allows you to send promotional messages, updates, offers, and notifications to your customers at scale. The second feature is flows. Here you can create WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses without writing a single line of code. And the last one, we'll explore the AI assistant, one of the most powerful feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, as you can see, I am currently inside the broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow. The broadcast feature is designed for businesses that want to communicate with multiple customers automatically through WhatsApp. With the help of this, you can easily send WhatsApp messages to predefined list of contacts. Instead of manually messaging each and every customer, you can simply create a broadcast campaign, give one name to your broadcast, select a contact list from here, choose the message type as regular or pre-approved, select the template by clicking on this button, test your broadcast, and just click on this plus add broadcast button. By doing this simple process, you can send a message up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So similarly, if you are running a restaurant, you can notify customer about weekend offers, special discount, or new menu launches. If you are a coach or consultant, you can send webinar reminders, event notification, or important updates directly to your audience. The process is extremely simple. Imagine having thousands of customers and being able to reach them directly on WhatsApp with personalized messages. That's the power of the broadcast feature. Moving forward, let's take a look at another powerful feature of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is where you can automate complete customer journey. For creating a new chatbot flow, you just have to click on this plus add flow button. I have already created some, so I'm directly going in this one. See, this is how the chatbot flows look like, and trust me, the creation process of this flow is the simplest and the easiest thing that I have ever done. I have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create this chatbot flow. Check the description below for the video link. This chatbot will work in real time like this, 24/7. Using this visual builder, you can create complete customer journey without writing a single line of code. This not only saves time but also ensures that every customer receives a consistent experience. For creating this flow, you just have to take these buttons that are present inside this messages and action and create its connection. So this is how it works. Now, while traditional chatbots are great for structured conversations, customers don't always follow predefined paths. Sometimes they ask unexpected questions. Sometimes they want a personalized recommendation, and sometimes they simply want to chat naturally. This is exactly where the AI assistant becomes game changer. The AI assistant takes WhatsApp automation to the next level by enabling human-like conversations. So instead of creating hundreds of conditions and chatbot branches, you can simply train the AI assistant using your own business knowledge base. For creating an AI assistant, you just have to click on this plus add AI assistant button and follow the instructions. I have already created some AI assistant before, and again I am saying that we have already created a separate detailed tutorial of how you can do the setup. Check the description below for the video link. This will give instant responses to your users, handle customer queries 24/7, even when you are sleeping. So that's the complete overview of Pabbly Chatflow's 3 most powerful features, that is broadcast, flow builder and AI assistant. As you have seen throughout this tutorial, Pabbly Chatflow is much more than just a WhatsApp chatbot builder. It's a complete WhatsApp automation platform that helps businesses automate conversations, engage customers, generate leads and scale communications effortlessly. Whether you are a small business owner looking to save time, a growing company looking to improve customer engagement, Pabbly Chatflow is the tool you need to automate and scale your WhatsApp communication. I hope this tutorial gave you a clear understanding of how Pabbly Chatflow works and how its feature can help your businesses. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code NEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.